Designing a robust design system with Figma begins by establishing clear structures and layouts that ensure consistency across your product. Leveraging Figma's component libraries allows you to create reusable elements, promoting efficiency and uniformity in your design workflow. Collaborate seamlessly with team members using Figma's real-time collaboration features, enabling instant synchronization of changes and the integration of refined wireframes into a cohesive system. This approach not only facilitates iterative design processes, but also supports scalability, adapting to your product's evolving needs over time. Experience the benefits firsthand: improved design consistency, streamlined collaboration across teams, and the ability to deliver scalable design solutions that meet user expectations. Whether refining existing systems or starting afresh, Figma empowers your team to create impactful user experiences efficiently. Transform your design process today with Figma and unleash the full potential of collaborative design innovation.